Hey, what's going on, fam? Kurt with Caribbean back at you with another 5-ingredient or less Thanksgiving recipe. This year, let's kick the can. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cranberry sauce that'll have your entire family and your friends amazed. Let's go do this. So here are the 5 ingredients for our quick and easy cranberry sauce. We have 1 whole apple that's diced. We have 3 cups of whole cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of orange juice, and a half tablespoon of Calypso seasoning. Let's go on to the next step. You can make this cranberry sauce recipe both inside or outdoors on your grill. Today I'm choosing to make it outside on my Weber 3-burner gas grill. Both of my left and right burners are on low and the middle burner is off. First, we're going to add 3 cups of whole cranberries to the skillet. Then we're going to go ahead and add our 1 whole diced apple. Make sure you get that all in there. Now you want to start slowly stirring. This is going to start boiling down really quick. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. We're going to add 1 cup of orange juice. And then our half tablespoon of Calypso seasoning. We're gonna let this sit on the grill until it starts bubbling and all the sugars start melting down. We'll be right back. So this is what your cranberry sauce looks like after 10 to 12 minutes of being on the grill. You can go ahead and make this a day or even 2 ahead of time. You're gonna get your favorite serving dish, let this cool down, pour it into the serving dish, and then refrigerate it so it cools, and all of the ingredients will come together and have that nice cranberry sauce look. Let's go on to the next step. So we brought our cast iron skillet inside, let it cool down, and then poured the cool cranberry sauce into our serving dish. We're gonna refrigerate this overnight and serve. Like or comment below, let us know what you think. Kurt with Caribbean, out.